Hello guys, so I've been using Hotelagix for a few months now, and I must say it's made running my hotel much easier than I expected. The system is cloud-based, so I can access it from anywhere, which is perfect when I'm not always on site. Whether I'm at home or traveling, being able to manage my hotel remotely gives me incredible flexibility. This is especially helpful in today's world where flexibility is key. The interface is really user-friendly and straightforward, so training my team didn't take long at all. With the simple design, even new employees can get up to speed quickly, which makes onboarding a breeze and keeps operations smooth. One feature that stands out to me is the real-time integration with all the major global distribution systems and online travel agents. This has helped me expand my market reach significantly and avoid any double bookings, which was a big problem before. Managing listings on multiple OTAs can be time-consuming, and having them sync in real time ensures my availability is always up to date. This eliminates the risk of overbooking, allowing me to focus more on guest experience. What I really appreciate is how well the front desk console syncs with the point-of-sale outlets around the property. Whether it's the restaurant, the spa, or the minibar, managing all those extra services feels much more organized now. I can quickly check which services are being used and ensure charges are applied to the right accounts in real time, streamlining the entire process. The housekeeping module is also a big help. It keeps everything in sync with the front desk so that rooms get cleaned on time without any confusion. I can track room status at a glance, so there's no risk of a room being missed or being cleaned too late. This is crucial for keeping guests happy and ensuring rooms are always ready for new arrivals. On top of that, Hotelagix provides over 100 built-in reports, which I find extremely useful for tracking how my hotel is performing. These reports give me insights into occupancy rates, revenue, and much more. They help me make better decisions and forecast bookings more accurately, ensuring I can stay ahead of demand and adjust pricing strategies accordingly. The mobile app is another feature I've come to rely on. It lets me check on operations and key performance indicators even when I'm away, which is a huge relief. I don't always have to be at the front desk to know what's happening. Whether it's checking in on current bookings, reviewing the daily occupancy, or monitoring guest feedback, the mobile app keeps me in the loop. While the system supports multiple languages, I personally use it in English, and it works flawlessly. It's great that Hotelagix can accommodate a diverse clientele, especially if you're managing properties in different regions. Customer support has been pretty good, although sometimes I notice it takes a little longer to get help during weekends. This could be an area for improvement, as prompt support during busy periods is critical. The one tricky part for me was the integration process with some third-party tools. It took a bit more time than I hoped to get everything set up perfectly. While the platform supports many third-party integrations, ensuring all the tools work together seamlessly can take some time. But once it was up and running, everything functioned smoothly. Pricing is competitive, with plans starting at just under $4 per room per month, which seems reasonable given all the features and benefits. For the amount of value it provides, it's definitely a cost-effective solution for hotel management. Overall, Hotelagix has been a reliable and efficient partner in managing my property, making daily operations smoother and helping me focus more on improving the guest experience. The system's comprehensive set of tools, from real-time updates to advanced reporting, allows me to stay organized and responsive. I definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a solid hotel management system that covers all the bases without being overly complicated. Whether you're a small boutique hotel or a larger property, Hotelagix can help streamline your operations and enhance your guest service.